Watcher 1 to Bravo 6 actual. Perimeter is secure. We have a possible hit on the missile container. We're moving in now.
Solid copy. All Bravo, move to set. We're on.
05 copies all.
Bravo 6-2 is 20 seconds from the target building. Intel reports multiple AQ inside.
Ghost, get your Overwatch. Watch, on the move. 456 is our primary objective. It's well fortified with limited access. Sun maybe hold up there.
Copy. Let's nail this bastard once and for all, sir.
Bravo 6, moving to Hope.
Copy. 5 set at the ground floor.
So, hook up. Ghost, where's that? You have eyes on? Affirm. Flashing now.
Copy visual, T. What have you got?
Civilians. Hostages.
Hassan's buying time.
You lads clear all threats. Bravo 3 secures the hostages. I'll be on the target floor. Reposition if you need. 2 X-rays below. We're clear to engage. Clear. Bravo 3, 5-5 secure. 4 X-rays ahead. 3 in the room, 1 in the hallway. We're clear. So, sit rep.
1 floor to go.
Copy. In position on the target deck. Next floor. 3 move in, 2 stationary. Get a visual before you engage. Bravo, we're clear on 5-1.
07 copy. Moving.
Price. All hostages secure.
Copy. Rally on the server floor. Charges set. Get clear. Watcher 1, we're on the target core. What's your status? Laswell, what the hell was that?
John, the missile is active. It's in first stage. Be advised, controls are not in the container.
That means Hassan has them. We're pushing into the target area now. Out.
We need those controls.
Let's hope Hassan's here.
Clear.
Negative on Hassan.
Why is Hassan using the server room?
Most secure place in the building. Move out. Clear.
Clear. No Hassan.
All stations, negative on target. Moving to control room now.
At the control room. Stack up. Visual on the control room. All stations negative on Hassan. Control room is a dry hole. Ghost, you got anything?
Affirm. Possible visual 46th floor.
Copy. We're moving. Back up, Sergeant. Hook up. Entry point is 4 levels down.
The Bravo 5's making entry on
Copy. We'll push them your way. Let's tighten the noose. So if we find those controls, it's up to you to disarm that missile.
Copy that. Done it once before.
Copy, get in here, Sergeant.
Spotted that one.
Bravo, be advised. Hassan is in the stairwell. He's moving down.
A muppet like you, pass select.
Solid copy. Gas! He's headed your way. Roger that.
Running right. Clear! Get to the stairwell.
Guys, sit rep.
07, target's cornered, floor 46.
Copy, we're moving to you. On me, Sergeant. Let's hit the stairs.
Downstairs. Move!
All stations' missile is hot. I say again, the missile is launching.
No! Fucking hell. Watcher, where's the target?
Unknown, we're working on it.
Copy. We're going back to sack. This way, Sergeant. Guys, where's the sack?
End of the hall. Someone's held up behind those doors.
Well, let's clear this out, faggot. Where's the sun?
We got him cornered in this room. Follow me. The sun's behind those doors.
I'll stick a camera in there. So, get positive ID on Hassan. We need those controls. I'll get them. You broken? I'm good. Go, you got this.
Soap, let's move.
Watcher, Hassan has the missile controls. We're going after him.
Copy. Be advised, the missile is headed towards DC. We don't have much time to divert.
The stands in the last car. That car won't hold! Jump down!
You there! Shut!
So, what's the status?
Construction floor. Control secured. Lost my weapon.
You targeted
Copy.
and killed an arm
Stay
from
out of
above.
sight.
Like
Cutting
cowards.
comms to what you want.
Soap, the missile was launched, so you'll have to remote detonate it.
That I haven't done. Okay, I'm ready. Shine. The target is DC. Coordinates 38, -77.
That's the Pentagon.
He's going for Shepard.
No, Shepard's
You
gone.
signed treaties
Yeah,
and
well,
you
there's
break them.
30,000 people who aren't. Finish it.
Sergeant, first you have to enable diagnostic mode. Hit clear and mode at the same time.
I'm in.
Next is the override. You should see 4 columns of data. I need to know what's in row 2, column 3.
As a soldier, it's my duty to respond to your action.
Row 2, column 3.
Percent sign. Echo, Sierra, Papa.
That did it. Now hit left and clear to initiate override. Left and clear, Sergeant.
Override on.
America
Copy, get safe.
is
This
soft
next part will
and
make some
weak.
noise.
They start war.
Hold on.
They have lost the will
Okay, I'm
to
back
fight.
up. Let's go.
Last step. Hit link when the green light is in the 4th position.
It's detonated.
Copy that. Air Force will confirm. Thank you, Sergeant.
Yeah. Pleasure doing business with you, Laswell.
Where's Hassan?
Not alone. He's got you.
I told you your nation will see.
Override on.
America
Copy, get safe.
is
This
soft
next part will
and
make
weak.
some noise.
They start war.
It's detonated.
They have
Copy
lost
that.
the will.
Air
to
Force will
fight.
confirm. Thank you, Sergeant.
Yeah. Pleasure doing business with you, Laswell.
Where's Hassan?
Not alone. He's got AQ guards with him. I'm gonna kill every one of them, and then I'm going for him. Out here. Steaming bloody fucking Jesus.
Nicely done, Johnny. Now for the hard part.
That was the fucking hard part, LT.
Let's find out. You need to stay alive, take out the guards, and kill Hassan.
I just need a weapon.
Make one.
Aye.
We are your
Like old
executioners.
times, huh, LT?
Seems like yesterday.
We are in
It
your
was
role.
yesterday.
How does it feel? Huh?
Found tape. Could pry open one of these toolboxes.
Careful, Johnny. That'll make noise.
From the Gulf of Iran to the eastern shores of the Mediterranean.
I found a box cutter.
That'll do some damage. You're dealing with armored AQ. Advise you stun them before going for the kill.
I told you your nation will see fire. You think you can stop me?
Ghost,
Soap.
watch the window.
We're not attacking. We are invading.
Perfect show, LT.
You called it, Sergeant. All stations. Hassan's down. Enemy KIA.
Officials are saying a power surge is to blame for an explosion over downtown Chicago last night, due to severe winds leaving thousands of residents in the dark. Electricity is expected to be restored by this evening. In other news...
CIA shit.
Creative writing.
I'll never tell.
AQ. Iran.
Cartels. Russians.
Shepard. Shadow. They got past us.
We had a head start. It's cutting the heads off snakes. Any sign of Shepard?
Totally off the grid.
Oh, we'll find him.
Now we've got bigger fish. I've done some digging on the Russians.
Well, that's a dirty job.
Ultra-nationalists ambushed that convoy, John.
Okay, this is over.
No, it's not. They're working with someone new.
Really?
We don't know his name.
He's not new.
Who is he?
Makarov.